Welcome back to another episode. Today we are growing asparagus. So the first thing you need to do is you need to figure out if you can grow it in your area. Asparagus grows in zones 2 to 11. The whole lower 48 is zones 2 to 10. So basically anywhere in the United States you can plant and grow asparagus. Next, you want to decide if you're going to plant with seed or use bare root. If you want it sooner, obviously bare root. If you have time, it'll be easier to plant with seeds, but it takes 3 years before you should harvest if you're going to use seeds. I'm going to use bare root because you can harvest in the second year. Now, when it comes to location, asparagus can produce shoots for you for up to 25 years. So wherever you plant it, you need to make sure it's somewhere that it's going to stay, because once you plant it, you'll have it. Now, asparagus like full sun. It reminds me of grass, so it likes open fields and it likes full sun. So I'm choosing right here. I'm gonna plant them right along here. Now, for spacing, you want them to be about 12 to 18 inches apart. Now for depth, basically I'm just making it however deep these roots are because they're all different. So you got some shorter ones like this guy and then some longer ones. So I just built little mounds so I could spread the roots out a little easier.